Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the dock model and that your laptop supports the dock's connection type, because connection types determine video and charging capability. Once confirmed, plug the dock into AC power and check the LED so the dock can enumerate devices. Make sure your laptop is awake, with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on if needed, and close intensive apps. This prevents driver stalls. Then align the laptop's port to the dock's connector and get ready to attach the cable or dock latch securely. Now connect the laptop to the dock. Push the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable until you feel a solid click or the latch secures. This ensures power and data lines engage properly. Then plug in displays, keyboard, mouse, Ethernet, and any USB devices so the dock can enumerate everything at once. If video doesn't appear, install or update the dock and graphics drivers using the vendor utility. Drivers resolve power negotiation and display mapping. Finally, configure display arrangement in your OS settings so screens extend or mirror as you prefer. You finish by confirming the laptop is charging and that the network and all peripherals respond. This proves the dock negotiated power and data correctly. Next, adjust resolution, scaling, and choose the main display so windows behave predictably across monitors. If something fails, reboot the laptop while docked, try a different certified cable, and update dock firmware. These steps clear negotiation errors. If issues persist, disconnect peripherals and reconnect one at a time to isolate a faulty device or port.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.